In this video, let's discuss about what is star schema. First of all, the question will be asked like this: how many types of schemas are there, and explain star schema. So there are three types of schema in analysis services, that is star schema, snowflake schema, and starflake schema. So the first and the most frequently used one is star schema, and let's discuss about what is the star schema. I hope you all know about what is dimension table and the fact table. I'll give a short description about those two. That fact table is the one which holds the metric information about the business process, like the fact internet sales here, which means here you can see the fact information. In other words, the numeric or the metric information, that is sales amount, tax amount, and fleet amount available in the fact internet sales table, and hence it acts as the fact table in our case. And the table which holds the descriptive information, like product name in the product table and customer name in the customer table. So the descriptive information about the fact data that is available in the fact table, we call it as a dimension table. So now let's come back to the star schema. So the star schema, the shortest definition that you can give is the star schema is the one in which the fact table is directly related to all the dimension tables in the data source view. For example, this is your fact table as per the definition that I told you a couple of minutes back, and this fact table is directly related. And first pick the dimension tables. What are the dimension tables here? Here you have 7 dimension tables. One is dim customer. Here this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Okay, you have 7 dimension tables with big and this is your fact table, and the fact table, fact internet sales, is directly related to all the dimension tables here. If you see, this is the fact table and it has direct relationship to your dim date. It has direct relationship to your direct relationship in the sense it should have foreign key relationship between the dimension tables and the fact table. If you talk about the database concepts, we call it as a foreign key relationship. Okay, fact internet sales has a direct relationship with the customer details. It has direct relationship with the dim currency. Same with the dim sales territory and dim product and also dim promotion. If you see, it has direct relationship, and you can see this is very close to star image, right? When you have a fact table in the middle and you have direct relationship with everything, then it gives a star kind of image. So we call it as star schema. And in short, the star schema is the one which has in which the fact table is directly related to all the dimension tables that are available in the schema. Okay, now let's see what is the other one, like in which case we call it as non-star schema. Means if you see the dimension in this particular case, the fact table is directly related to all the dimension tables. Let me add one more table to the schema, to the data source view. For example, let me take sales reason. If you see this sales reason, let me erase the drawings here. Okay, and let me arrange the tables. And if you see this dim sales reason, you don't have direct relationship to the fact table and the dimension table, that is dim sales reason. So when you have anything like this, then it won't become a star schema. The star schema is only until the list of tables where in which you have the fact table is surrounded by all the dimension tables with the direct relationship. Any indirect relationship will not be considered as star schema. For example, in this particular case, there is no relationship between the fact table and this dimension table. And let me add one more table which can bring the relationship for this the sales territory and the fact internet sales. Oops, sorry. Let me add the table. Okay, and now the dim sales reason has relationship to the fact internet sales, but it is not a direct one. It is through some intermediate table. So when you have this kind of case, then we don't call it as star schema. This will fall into the snowflake schema design. So keep in mind, all the dimension tables should have direct relationship, and we call this guy as indirect. This guy is having indirect relationship, the dim sales reason and the fact internet sales, and hence this is not a star schema. When when all the dimension tables are directly related to the fact table, then only we call it as star schema. And performance wise, the star schema is better than snowflake schema, and that is the biggest advantage. That's why people prefer to go with the star schema. Hope you understood the concepts, and stay tuned for more and more videos on SSAS, SSRS and SSIS interior questions. Thank you. Have a great day.